Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these under the sea inspired nails. So for this look, I'm using LongHairPrettyNails clear and white acrylic, and I also have the angel, silver, and aqua glitters. These are available on my website. Link will be down below. I'm also using Mia Secrets lemon and blueberry, and these are from the Fruity collection. I also took these colors and mixed it with clear to create a nice teal tinted clear acrylic. And I also used half clear, half white to create a milky white color. Alright, so these are the tips I'm using today. They are the BU long stiletto tips. I've already glued them on and all of that good stuff. And these are from Amazon, so I will leave a link down below to these. They're awesome. And this is the glue I use, the IBD 5-second glue. Alright, so tips are already on, and now I'm just going to go in with my application, and I'm just applying a thin layer of clear. And then I'm going in with that teal tinted acrylic and placing that as like my background color. Next, I'm going in with the aqua glitter and I'm applying that at the cuticle area, and I'm just going to pack that on very well because I want this to be very dense to where you can't see through it. So I'm just packing it on well, and then I'm going to blend it down the nail. Taking the silver, I'm just going to put that on the tip and trying to blend that with the aqua to make a beautiful glitter ombre nail. And I'm just going back in with some aqua and, going back and forth to get the blend and the coverage the way that I want it to be. So I'm going to leave that to dry, and I'm going to move on to the next nail. So for the ring fingernail, I'm once again applying that thin clear base, and then I'm going in with that teal tinted acrylic. And these are going to be like a oceany marbly nail, so I go in with that teal color, and then I did blue and white, and I'm just going to take the tip of my brush and swirl it around to create some nice ocean waves. So now I'm taking that milky white color and I'm placing that over the marbling just to dull that out, because I want this nail to look like it's like you're looking, I don't know, like in the ocean. I want it to be kind of like you can kind of see stuff, but then you can't, but dimension and different levels, you know. So then I'm going in with a bit of the aqua glitter, and I'm placing that on the nail in various spots as well. And then I'm just gonna go in more with that milky white color to kind of dull out the glitter and just make it look like it's sitting deep within the nail. And I'm kind of just going back and forth in between the colors until I get like the blend and everything that I want. So once I like the placement of everything, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the nail using that teal tinted clear acrylic. So for the middle finger, I'm just applying the thin layer of clear and then going in with that teal acrylic. So then I'm just gonna do some more marbling, sort of like the way that I did it before. Now I'm taking a bead of clear and then I'm gonna place this mermaid piece on top. Now I'm going around it with glitter and, you know, just doing some more marbling here and there. And once I like the way everything looks, I'm gonna once again encapsulate with this teal acrylic. This nail was my favorite because I love how the mermaid piece looks like she's underwater. It looks so cool. So for the index fingernail, I'm just gonna once again do some marbling, just like I did on the other nails, and then I'll go ahead and cap it with that teal color. All right, so I'm gonna give some time for this nail to dry and I'm gonna move on to my pinky fingernail and go ahead and cap this nail. And I am using that tinted teal clear to cap the glitter as well, because I do want everything to kind of look like it's underwater, if that makes sense. So yeah, it does give it a blue tint and I like it. All right, so this is after all of the acrylic has set, and now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. And as always, I like to start off with my hand file on the 100 grit side, cleaning up the sides and all of that. And then I like to finish off with the e-file around the cuticle areas. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm applying a medium bead of clear acrylic, and I'm going to use that to adhere a seashell. And then I place another bead of clear down to hold some of the larger crystals. And I repeat the same thing for my index fingernail. So now I'm going in with a combination of Poochie Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And you all know that I love this combination to adhere crystals. So I start off with the Bling Gel and apply a layer of that. And then I go over that with the gel top coat, and then I place my stones. So for the stones, I'm using a combination of Swarovski crystals and my iridescent crystals. My iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. And I will leave links to all of the crystals that I used and all of that. After placing the crystals down on the ring fingernail, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, just so none of those crystals shifted or anything like that. And then I moved on to the index fingernail. So after that, I applied the Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails and cured. And after my nails have cooled down, I'm applying my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I so love how these came out, especially with capping them with that tinted teal acrylic. It really gives the look of like ocean underwater vibes. I just love it, especially the way the mermaid kind of peeks from under. It is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.